Hi everyone, welcome in and welcome back to my channel. It's Rena and today is part 2 of my home decor video. So today I'm working on trying to figure out how to create this that shape paneling. So I'm working on trying to figure out what pattern I want to go with instead of having it like that on the wall. Those are kind of irrelevant colors to what I'm planning on using it for, but we're gonna try to have something to match with the closet, which is in that space, and then my wall art paint. So I think I'm gonna go with this pattern. I instead of having 4 colors like I said originally, I think I'm gonna go with 3. So this is what I'm going with. I'm trying to create a symmetry between those hexagon panels to this wall. So let's see what I come up with in this video. So let's get to switching over to making these guys. What are you thinking? This is what currently the pattern I have going on.
Nice.
Do we like this? I'm asking you like you're going to give me an answer on a timely manner. By the time I post this, it's more than likely going to be on the wall already. I think I'm going to go with this pattern.
Wow.
Alright, it's done. It's totally crooked, but that's as good as it's going to get. I like it though, because I like how there's like a 3D effect to some of them, but most of them are flat. It adds some extra color. Let's see if you can get true color. I go this way. So the purple is a little bit lighter. Maybe I might be able to adjust it via editing, but that's what that looks like on this wall. And then on the opposite wall, I'm going to have basically the same color reflection, or not exactly the same color, but the same concept of color scheme on the opposite wall. And yeah. So guys, as you can see, the wall is basically done. I'm just doing some final touch-ups of the purple, just to sharpen that line, and then also the blue also goes down that way. I'm also gonna sharpen that line up there as well. Other than that, I'm quite pleased with it. It looks quite nice. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is the lighting over there on that wall. I think I showed you the box of the group, the Govi lights. So I'm gonna do that in just a moment, but I'll just get you some of this so you can actually see some painting.
We do not care.
Ooh. Okay, so I actually filmed me putting up these lights, and I have no idea what the hell I did with that footage. So here you go. Here's the footage of right now me showing off these lights. Yeah, so I put them up. I love them. There's a little base thingy down there where I turn it on, and they look like these. So they're pretty. I really like them. They're great, but obviously they're for my eyes only. You can do a lot of cool things with them though. Like I could write messages and whatnot. So maybe in the future, if I do end up, okay, I don't want to spoil anything, but I have some things that I'm planning on doing. So if those things come true, I might use this as my backdrop and put the thing, what I'm thinking of in the thing. A lot of things. Okay, anyways, so these are, I'll show you, fast forward to some other footage of what the lights can do. Oh yeah, before I say it, goodbyes. So the rest of the room, would love to do more. Would love to, but I'm broke. I just came back from Japan.
I just realized I'm broke and they're laughing at me.
And I'm broke as hell. So, the space, plant, can't do anything with that space because I don't have a couch to put in that space. I have a day bed, but I can't move that day bed from the other room to put it here because then I don't have a couch. in the other room. So you see what I'm saying? Like there's not, I can't, I'm broke. I would love to put a little rug. When I find one, I will put one. But right now, I kind of like not having much of anything in this room other than me, myself, and I. These lovely lights, my sound paneling of the wall behind you, and this beautiful desk. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep it like that for now until I can financially support having other things in this room. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe in a later time I will make a little collage of my trip in a summary nutshell, or if you have any questions about Japan or what you'd like to know about doing a trip there. Like I did 2 weeks, about 16 days there, so if you have a question about itinerary of things to do in Japan and where to stay and what to see and stuff along those lines, let me know what you think down below in the comments. I almost said description, comments, yeah, YouTube. And press that like button, because yeah, you know, we need that. Spread the love. Anyways, I'll see you later. Bye.